Hello student, today I'm going to discuss the topic of Raj Rawal in Contemporary of Architecture Module 9. First, I will state the introductions of Raj Rawal. He was born in 1934. The place of the birth is Hoshiarpur, Punjab, and schooling is Hawcourt Blatter Section School, Shimla. After that, he completes his graduations in architecture SPA, and he was attending architecture associations for first year and completed the professional training from Brixton School of Building, London. The role model of the Rawal are the Le Corbusier, Charles Correa, and Louis Kahn, because he is inspired from them, and their influential place is Rajasthan, Old Town, traditional Haveli house, ancient building of the Indian architecture, as well as the modern building and Western theories of urban planning and building technology. Now I will go to discuss the project of the Asian Games Village. The locations in the Asian Games Village was New Delhi, and the completion's period is 19 to 1982, and type of the building is family housing of the Asian Games visitors and the players and other official person. And the constructions as well as the concrete, and the village or the complex was constructed in the hot climate area, and the style is modern architecture. Now my next slide is how to planning the Asian Game Village. In the Asian Game Village, housing is totally like a urban pattern of Jaipur and Jaisalmer. The architect interwove the three principles of dictate the simultaneously the conjoin the traditional layout of the contemporary architecture. Number one, the configuring a low rise. That means not to the high rise building. Number two, highly density populated representations of the typical Indian like mohalla or the community. The creating the cluster formation and ideal for the Indian climate. And all there are some 500 housing unit and 200 individual townhouse, 300 apartment in the 2 floors of 4 with each unit type and the variation according to the area. Number 2 was the design features. Clustering of building, courtyard, scatter of terraces. Another activity, street are narrow, shaded, broken up into small unit, creating the pause, point and rest, and another the changing proportion. Gateway allow for the change and contain the continuity. Bridges from like the linking of the neighboring houses. My next slides show the gateway linking the two neighboring houses. In this design or pictures showing the gateway is double storied height or the 2-storied height for entrance for the visitors. The next slide does show the planning sequence or the cluster planning in the Asian Game Village, and the basic unit are the 4 apartment designed in such a way that link with a courtyard, and the courtyard create the variety interlinking spaces. In this slide, show the floor plan of the type of C unit and form a cluster. 4 or 6 unit create the variety of inner spaces. My next slide show the peripheral road are connected to cul-de-sac. Cul-de-sacs mean returns of the driveway or the car parking area with turn give access the individual garages or car porches attached to the house and apartment block. Next slide show the dining complex, which is now used as the recreational and community center of a complex, which is denoted the red area. The cubic solids and the void are characteristics of this Indian urban fabric. In this slide is show the sectional view of the housing. The entire red marked area is from the upper floor. The semi-private, how to the semi-private area is created, and reminding us the characteristics of houses in the Jaisalmer. Number 4, the slide is the green area. The green area and the courtyard are the spread all over the side and access from 70% of the village in various sides. The rate of the area in the next slide is show the vehicular and pedestrian movement and segregated by the various interlink for the convenience about 80% of the dwellers and have access from the both the pedestrian pathway and peripheral road, and which is enclosures as well as the parking area. After that, the slides are given the scatters of terraces, how to create the terrace, street, shadow, narrow, small units, and typical type of floor plan.